Welcome! If you would like to keep this workbook, you can get the ebook or the paperback edition on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Feel free to pause the video anytime if you need a little more time to read or think about a question. Let's begin. Question 31. The general's reckless charge into the fortress cost him half his soldiers before the gate even opened. As used in the sentence, the word in all caps most nearly means... Here are your choices. A. Acting without thought for danger. B. Kind and generous. C. Slow and hesitant. D. Careful and well-planned. The correct answer is A. Acting without thought for danger. Losing half his soldiers from a rushed charge shows the action was careless of danger, reckless. Question 32. Read the passage. For 3 chapters, the game hints that Ren is the villain, his cloak, his cold eyes, his warnings. But in the finale, players learn Ren was disguising himself to protect the princess from the true traitor all along. The author most likely structured the story this way in order to... Here are your choices. A. List the rules for saving the princess. B. Compare Ren to other game villains. C. Surprise players by overturning their expectations about Ren. D. Explain how to defeat the final boss. The correct answer is C. Surprise players by overturning their expectations about Ren. Building up Ren as a villain and then revealing his true goal is a twist meant to surprise the audience. Question 33. Read the passage. The abandoned space station drifted in silence. Emergency lights blinked red down empty corridors, and a single recording repeated, "Do not open the lower deck." Mira's hand hovered over the door controls. What mood does the author mainly create in the passage? Here are your choices. A. Cheerful and lighthearted. B. Peaceful and relaxing. C. Tense and suspenseful. D. Silly and playful. The correct answer is C. Tense and suspenseful. Silence, blinking red lights, and an ominous warning create tension and suspense. Question 34. Read the passage. Some players insist the crafting update ruined the game because it made rare items too easy to build. Others argue the change finally let casual players enjoy content that was once locked behind endless grinding. Which best describes how the author organizes this passage? Here are your choices. A. By defining an unfamiliar term. B. By describing a cause and its single effect. C. By listing steps in time order. D. By presenting 2 opposing points of view. The correct answer is D. By presenting 2 opposing points of view. The passage gives one group's complaint and then the opposing group's defense, a comparison of 2 viewpoints. Question 35. Read the passage. Elena had spent months training her dragon, feeding it, healing its wounds, whispering to it at night. So when the beast finally spread its wings and lifted her into the clouds, her eyes filled with tears she did not bother to hide. The reader can best infer that Elena's tears come from... Here are your choices. A. Deep joy and pride in what she has accomplished. B. Boredom with the long journey. C. Anger at being forced to fly. D. Fear that the dragon will drop her. The correct answer is A. Deep joy and pride in what she has accomplished. Her months of loving effort and the dragon finally flying suggest her tears are from joy and pride, not fear or anger. Question 36. Read the passage. Welcome, adventurer. This guide covers the 3 regions you must clear to reach the Shadow Keep. Read carefully, note the recommended level for each area, and never enter the final region below level 40. What is the author's main purpose in the passage? Here are your choices. A. To describe the beauty of the Shadow Keep. B. To instruct players on how to progress safely. C. To entertain readers with an exciting story. D. To persuade players to buy new armor. The correct answer is B. To instruct players on how to progress safely. The passage gives directions and a level warning to guide players, so its purpose is to instruct. Question 37. Which sentence uses commas correctly in the character description? Here are your choices. A. Kira, the swift archer of the Northern Clan, could hit a target from 100 yards away. B. Kira, the swift archer of the Northern Clan, could hit a target from 100 yards away. C. Kira, the swift archer of the Northern Clan, could hit a target from 100 yards away. D. Kira, the swift archer of the Northern Clan, could hit a target from 100 yards away. The correct answer is C. Kira, the swift archer of the Northern Clan, could hit a target from 100 yards away. The phrase, the swift archer of the Northern Clan, is an apposition and should be set off by a pair of commas. Question 38. Choose the sentence that correctly uses the past perfect tense to show one action was completed before another past action. Here are your choices. A. By the time the players had arrived, the dragon will destroy the village. B. By the time the players arrived, the dragon destroys the village already. C. By the time the players arrive, the dragon has already destroyed the village. D. By the time the players arrived, the dragon had already destroyed the village. The correct answer is D. By the time the players arrived, the dragon had already destroyed the village. Had destroyed, past perfect, shows the destruction happened before the players arrived. Simple past. Question 39. Which sentence correctly uses a subordinate clause to combine these ideas? The healer ran out of mana. She could not revive her fallen teammate. Here are your choices. A. The healer ran out of mana. She could not revive her fallen teammate. B. Because the healer ran out of mana, she could not revive her fallen teammate. C. The healer ran out of mana because she could not revive her fallen teammate. D. The healer ran out of mana. She could not revive her fallen teammate. The correct answer is B. Because the healer ran out of mana, she could not revive her fallen teammate. Because creates a subordinate clause showing cause, correctly joined to the main clause with a comma. Question 40. Which sentence corrects the misplaced modifier? Glowing with power, the player grabbed the enchanted sword. Here are your choices. A. The player grabbed the enchanted sword, which was glowing with power. B. Glowing with power, the player grabbed the enchanted sword. C. Glowing with power, the enchanted sword was grabbed the player. D. The player, glowing with power, grabbed the enchanted sword glowing. The correct answer is A. The player grabbed the enchanted sword, which was glowing with power. The sword, not the player, is glowing, so the modifier must clearly describe the sword. Great work! Don't forget, you can print a free, customizable certificate of completion with the student's name on it. Just tap the link in the description. To keep practicing, get the full workbook on Amazon. The ebook is perfect for quick revision, and the paperback is best for real, hands-on practice. Thanks for learning with us.